from Foyr, and today I am going to show you how to create a render. So after you have finished building your room, you have done all the finishing touches and you are ready to go. You are ready to create that perfect picture render to send off to your client or to whoever. This is how you do it. So you will go up here after you're done and push take render, click, and it will take you, and it kind of changes the picture just a little bit. And you have your camera height, so you can go higher, lower, wherever you're wanting to go. I kind of like to keep it around the 5 foot, 6 foot area. And then you have your field of view. So that is going to pull it in and make it, if you are in a bigger room, a bigger space, I always keep my field of view very small and in. If you're in a very small room, you definitely need your field of view up just to get that whole room in your render in that photo. So today, since this is a big kitchen, I will keep my field of view in. And then I'm going to double click on kind of like where I'm wanting it to focus on. So I'm right here, it zooms me in. Let's bring the camera height up just a little bit, 5 foot. Then I'm going to turn it just to make where I'm wanting that photo taken, just to get everything in the room. So I am ready. Let's go over here to lighting. You can change all your lightings, daylight, winters, warm summers. Since I am in a pretty well lit room, there is a window over here. I have a lot of recessed lighting. I have good pendants. I really don't need a ton of lighting in, so I'm going to keep my interior lighting low. If you are in a really dimly lit space, there's no windows, not a lot of lighting, you're gonna wanna bring that up to high. But since today we are in a very well lit room, we're going to keep it down to low. Then you can change the backgrounds in your window. If you want it to be snowy, the beach, the city, wherever you are, you can change it. And that's what's so great about Foyr, if you have so many options. So I'm going to keep it here and I am ready to take my render. So you can click get preview and that will preview what your render will look like. If you are wanting to see maybe how your colors look, your lighting looks, you can get the preview and you'll see perfectly how it will look. But for today, I already know I am ready. It looks great. I'm going to take that render. So I will click this. What's your resolution? I always click 4K because I want it to be the best quality, looking just like a photo. So I will go ahead and click that. You want to make sure you are in the right position for your camera before you click take render, because that will take away some of your credits. So you're going to click render and then it will take some time loading. And do you want to save this current view? Sure. This is my first picture, saving it. So there it is saved. You will go over here to gallery when you are ready to click on your render. And I have already taken a few render pictures just to save time, but this is where it will process and you'll be able to click it. So I am ready to click one just to see how it looks. So I will go to this save and download button. It will pull it up right in my browser. And here it is. Already perfect picture, looks amazing. The best render. That is what's so great about Foyr, is it looks like a real picture has been taken and you are ready to send this off, download it. Foyr has a 14-day free trial. And so if you would like to try out Foyr, they have a 14-day free trial. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.